Hey, Curious Cubs, have you ever sat down with a bowl of popcorn and thought, wait a second, why does popcorn pop? Let's head into the kitchen lab and discover the science behind this tasty explosion. Alright, so each popcorn kernel is like a tiny science lab all by itself. It has three important parts. First, a hard outer shell called the pericarp. Second, a soft starchy center. And third, a tiny drop of water inside. Now here's where the magic happens. When you heat the popcorn kernel, like in a pan or microwave, that little drop of water inside starts to heat up and turn into steam. But the hard outer shell doesn't let the steam escape, so pressure builds up more and more, just like a mini pressure cooker. Eventually, the pressure gets too high, and pop! The kernel bursts open, and the soft, starchy center puffs up into the yummy, fluffy popcorn we all love to eat. Did you know? Not all corn can pop. Only a special kind of corn called popcorn corn has the perfect moisture and shell to pop. Popcorn pops best at around 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the perfect popping point. When it pops, the starch inside cools down quickly and holds the new shape. That's why popcorn looks all fluffy and weird-shaped. The biggest popcorn ever recorded was over 38 times its original size. That's one giant pop. All right, Curious Cubs, time to test your popcorn knowledge. Question 1. What is the name of the hard outer shell of a popcorn kernel? Question 2. What turns into steam inside the popcorn when it's heated? Question 3. Can all corn types become popcorn? Say your answers out loud or type them in the comments. We want to hear from you. And that's all for today's kitchen chemistry adventure. Next time you eat popcorn, remember, you're crunching into a mini science experiment. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Cub for more awesome kid-friendly science fun. Stay curious and keep popping with excitement. Bye-bye, Cubs!